Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. And this will be a really quick video about a great rechargeable LED work light. I bought one approximately 8 months ago. You can see it here being fully charged, the poor thing. I put it for a lot of work and it performed absolutely beautifully, so I bought this weekend another one, and here is why. Maybe reason number one, it's rechargeable, so you don't waste batteries, right? After you depleted an internal battery, you put it back on this USB charger. It's right here, and it will be fully charged in a couple of hours again. Number two, it's really bright. When you put it on, it has different levels of the light, but when you start the first one, it goes the full speed, and look at it. That's really bright. So definitely plenty of light when you work on the cars. Number three, it's extremely thin, and that's a big deal when you work on the cars and you really need to look down somewhere. The light which is hanging over there, the corded, right? Oh, I forgot even about that. It's not corded, right? That's another advantage. You are not dragging the cord. But this one is big, right? This is actually big. Doesn't make even more lights. Look how many LEDs. It doesn't make more lights. And you will be not able to go in these very thin areas. Look at here. I just get down there. Boom. I have all that light, so that's another great advantage. And I cannot speak enough about this magnet, which you don't see, which is built in the bottom. Look at this. It's a strong magnet, right? It really sticks. You can almost lift the car by it. I'm just kidding. But it's really strong. Look at it. It finally gave up, right? So anywhere you work, you can just put that magnet on. Boom. Right here. Boom. The light is standing there, right? It's holding for you. That swivel, I will include it right now. That swivel thing, this is absolutely unbelievable, right? It perfectly swivels. Sooner or later, what will happen? You will drop it, right? It will not hold, or if your hands will make a mistake, you will drop it. I dropped it many times, and anytime that happened, I was like, oh my God, that must have been the end of it, right? I always thought this end or this will just give. This area seems to be rugged, right? Pretty good. But man, it survived. You can see how it's scraped and so on. It still runs. So I decided, and that's one of the reasons I decided and bought yesterday another one. I'm really happy with it, and I will recommend it anybody, especially when you work on the cars. Apparently you can even replace that battery, right? It should be very easy. Here is just the battery. I believe you can even buy it from Harbor Freight, right? You purchase this in Harbor Freight. Look, I put it back. Excuse me. And boom, it's running again. I said it has multiple stages of the level, right? I'm using the brightest one always, but apparently if you go boom, 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 it's even on the top, right? I don't know where you will use this top one. I never did, but whatever, the features are there. And last but not least is the price. If you look on the Harbor Freight pages under the work lights, you will find it there, and you will find out that this costs $39.99, right? $40. However, here comes a tip for you. Wink, wink. I looked on the weekends, so Saturday, Sunday. If you look on their page, actually, this is on the front where the deals are, and I found it last 2 weekends for $19.99, so half price, $20. And knowing that you can buy this for $20, I think it's an absolutely great deal, and you cannot beat it with any other rechargeable LED light for working on the cars. I think this one is the best. So for 40 bucks, now I will own 2 of them. If one stops working after a couple hours, right, use under the car or inside of the engine bay, I will just grab from the charger the second one and I will keep working. This is incredible. So it was very quick video for you. I reviewed the whole thing, unboxing and so on, in different video 8 months ago, but yeah, I'm just sharing this. You might find it interesting and maybe go next weekend and get it for 20 bucks. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.